Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this warm summer look that is sweat-proof and refreshing. So let's get started. First, I'm going to prep my skin with the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. Gotta get that all over my face to make sure the products I'll be using applies just fine. Conceal my imperfections with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's a heavy-duty concealer, so that's going to definitely give me a fuller coverage. Next is a foundation, which I'm going to use the Missha Magic Cushion. This foundation is lightweight, so it's not going to make my face look crusty or cakey since the concealer is heavy enough. Now it's time to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Pencil and outline my brows to shape them before I fill them in. And I'm just going to fill them just a little bit and use the brow comb to soften it out to make it look natural. I'm going to use the Milk Highlighter to highlight my Cupid's bow to make my lips look fuller for when I apply my lipstick. And I'm going to highlight my nose and cheekbone as well too. Bronzer, I'm going to use Morphe to just shade and outline my nose to make my non-existent nose bridge longer, if that makes sense. Finally, we're moving on to the eyes. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Nude Palette in medium. Now this palette has all the perfect shade for summer because of all the warm color tones. When I'm out in the sun, I want to be able to show off those beautiful nude colors. Even when I end up sweating, the colors glisten from the moisture and makes them look even prettier. Also, I just realized I try to make something gross sound pretty, but anyways, I'll be using 3 different shades, the lighter matte brown color, mixed with the darker matte brown, and adding in the sheer copper. After applying the eyeshadow, I'm going to curl my lashes. I usually curl them before I applied eyeshadow, but this time I kind of forgot. But moving on to the eyeliner, I'm going to use my favorite Dior eyeliner. I want to give this eyeliner a 10 out of 10. Usually when I cry my eyes out, this eyeliner stays on like an MVP. Almost forgot this important step, so I always use the Wet n Wild dark brown pencil liner to outline the upper and bottom lid of my eyes to make them pop out. Moving on to the mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara to finish off the eye look. And I gotta make sure I apply several coats to make them stand out. Now that 80% of my makeup is complete, I'm just going to use the Undone Blush Palette to apply on my cheeks to give them a warm redness to them. It kind of gives an effect that I've been out in the sun and I'm just overheating a bit. Finally, I'm going to finish up this look with the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip in the shade of Amour. And I like to add a bit of a plump effect, so I'm gonna use BUXOM Lip Plumping Balm all over my lips to make them look plump and fuller. And I definitely don't want to be sweating all day and having to sweat off all the products, so I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And we are pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.